I wanted to give you an idea of what a whole house water system from the past used to look like. I purchased my home here about 6 years ago, and this is what was installed in the home. The home was about 7,000 square feet, and I checked it for chlorine when I first got my home, and guess what? There was chlorine in the water, even though there was this cumbersome whole house water system. And why the water services companies want to sell you this is because you have to add salt. And so, of course, there's a maintenance and servicing fees that they can collect from you. So instead of this old technology, we have new technology. So I'm going to take you and show you it. This is the new technology. What this system is, there's no plugging in. So you don't have to worry about your electrician coming out to put a plug in for you. There's no backwashing. Backwashing, most systems are going to do that because it fluffs the bed. So the water coming down doesn't get tunnels. So every couple of days it's going to flush the system. Then there has to be a drain line that's added to it, and there's a loud noise that it goes through, and always a potential for water to leak. So with this, what's unique and different is that it's our upscale system. And it takes the water, instead of going down, it takes the water, pushes it up. You have no chance of any tunnels. So there's no backwashing necessary. Now here is our nucleation crystallization activation technology. What it does, it binds up the minerals, the heavy minerals, calcium, magnesium, potassium, sodium. Those minerals are considered hard, and that's what leaves the water spots and the water stains. And so you can look around your home, you can see your faucets are going to have calcium on them, especially your shower head. The dangerous part about this is you don't look at your pipes underneath your home, and that calcium can go through your piping system and it can create pinhole leaks, and you start having water leaks, and you have a sewer line and you have a water line, and there's potential bacteria. So it's actually a really dangerous thing. So all homes, I believe, should start with a whole house water system. That way you can brush your teeth, wash your face, wash your vegetables, wash your body, drink out of every sink. Even in the shower, drink out of it knowing you have good, clean, filtered water. So this technology sits here 5 years, no maintenance, nothing. After 5 years, we will need new media because the media is going to get contamination over time. You want to get out with the old media, in with the new. $500 solution, plumber comes out, easy fix. This is your one-stop shop for your whole house water system, and there's no necessary plumber coming out. There's no necessary service fees for you. You don't have to pay for someone to put salt in it or go to Costco and buy the huge bags of salt and break your back getting out of the car, and the cost that goes with that too. So if you're gonna love our whole house water system, check it out at healthyhydration.com.